So today is the final video on the basic spring maintenance for your bike. I really hope that you enjoyed the videos and that you learned something following along. And again, these videos are intended for very basic service with tools that you probably have on hand. Anything that goes beyond these videos or anything in these videos that you aren't comfortable with doing, or maybe you think that based on watching what you watched during the video series, maybe now you know you need to take your bike to a local bike shop and get it repaired by a mechanic. Stay tuned to the channel. We got lots of content coming up. So again, thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.